Show y'all how to install a kill switch in a Hellcat. So that's the kill switch. First thing you're gonna do, hook that onto there, right there. Then your red wires goes over here. I gotta set up my phone for this shit. Alright, let's see it first of all. We're gonna get this off. So this will be your ground side. Got that unhooked. Trying to keep it from touching anything. There we go. Kill switch. We're just gonna go right on here. All the way down on there. Okay. Probably should have done this first. Put this back on real quick so nothing won't fall off. Go ahead and tighten this up. Got that on there. Next step you want to do is take your red wire, this right here. You want to put that on there. But you already got it loosened up. So that's going to go right there. So, as you can see, and tighten this up. Yeah. Then we're gonna go ahead and tighten this one up.
Hello. Hello. Good, how are you? Yeah. They calling your phone.
Said somebody calling?
They're talking to grandma.
Oh.
Yeah, and then you can't answer. He can't answer whenever.
Alright.
Okay, yeah. Alright, love you too. You're welcome. Alright, bye-bye.
So the only thing.
I'm gonna get you one of these. Therefore,
What's that?
you can talk while you doing.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, while you doing what you doing.
Hell yeah.
Therefore, you don't have to go back and do a voiceover or re-talk about what you did. You could talk while you doing it.
Mm-hmm. I need that.
Yeah, and then guess where I got this from? I'm gonna go buy you one. $5 below.
For real?
Yeah, me and Mama went to go get some.
And it worked good?
Cause I had one before.
Alright, only thing left now. Lift this up to the ground. I don't know why they made this like this. They should have made it so the bolt was already still in there. It's like a tight fit too.
Yeah, I said that when I came and looked at it. I was like, this is low-key a tight fit because of the negative little thing. And then it's like, whoever installed my batteries, like, it's not a...
Oh shit.
You gonna just shock yourself? It's like it's a tight fit. It's in a, like, room.
Yeah.
Whoever put the little wires in there.
I'm trying to see. That's the only thing that's making it hard.
Ooh.
No, it's good. It's gonna do that.
Because it's the negative and the positive touching.
It's just the way this thing is shaped. Like,
yeah, I said the same thing. I don't understand who put that in there like that. It should have more like wiggle room. Well, it look like it's fitting now.
I should have moved this out the way first.
The fuse box.
Mm-hmm. They should have shaped these different, like.
Oh, it's working. Let me hand you the.
I think I gotta go find a longer. Screws going here. See how that's short and ain't going all the way on there?
But I thought that when I had looked at the video, I thought you put this on there, you screw that on there, and then put the negative just on top of this. You get what I'm saying? So you don't have to screw it on there. It just, screw it like that and then place it on the top and see if it works. Because the Amazon video, they had to show like something like that, but it was like,
Yeah, I see exactly. Go ahead and put this back on. Such a bad fucking angle. This so
hard to twist.
Yeah.
I want to say when they installed the new battery, because at first I had another battery before this, and when they installed the this battery, because I remember my battery went dead or whatever. When they installed this battery, I want to say I don't know what they had going on with the thing, because it just feel like it's bent. Like, you know how it be bent on there, so it make it harder to twist. Here come Cuz.
There we go. It's moving now.
Good, how are you?
There we go.
And this pushed all the way on there.
Yes, all the way down.
Okay. Well, I got the key in my thing. There I go. I'm gonna do that beat. It's on.
want to fix it so make sure this is closed all the way, but it ain't gonna go down.
There it goes.
Tighten this up too. Lights on.
Yeah. And then, no, somebody got a new battery already for my bed.
So the lights on, so that means it's working. I say, just take this, hook it up to your ground, take your red wire, hook it up to the other side. Alright, we can try it now. Let's see.
If it starts.
Yeah.
Oh, you can start it up so you can for your video, so it can look. You working on the car. This your job. And then tell me when to turn it off.
Alright, so now we finna test it and make sure it works. Alright. See it's on. Everything come on. So now we finna turn it off. Turn it off. We finna hit the kill switch.
Okay, now try it.
You should let me try it with the button.
Oh. I did my key dead. I gotta go to AutoZone. See if they got a key thing for that.
So the on and off for the kill switch. So now it's off. We finna see if it works. Yep. So the battery's dead on this. So right now we're just using the button in the back, which you could turn it on and off with the button in the back. So now she just turned it back on, lights on. Now you come back to the front. Should start right up. Yes, sir. All set to go.